Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to run comps on a property on Propwire. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to run comparables on their real estate property. How do you actually go ahead and do that using Propwire? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that you're going to do is that on the upper left hand corner, you're going to enter your zip code. So we're just going to enter a dummy zip code right over here. And then we're going to select the correct one. So this should be Oregon. So there you go. So once you enter the address, city, county, or zip code, you're going to see a list of search results. So how I run my comparisons is that I usually sort it by lead types, and then I click MLS sold. So here we have net now down narrowed to about 400 listings. Okay, so 403 listings. The next thing that I'll do is I'll click on more, and then I'll click on property filters. And this is where you want to make sure that the property types align as close as possible to your property. So if it's a single family home, select single family home. If it's a condo or townhouse, select condo or townhouse. If it's a mobile home, select mobile home. So we're just going to select single family home. And likewise with the number of bedrooms and number of bathrooms. Again, make sure this aligns very closely with what your property is. So if you have 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, select that. And then for the building size, I normally do plus or minus 300 square feet. So if I have a 2,000 square foot building, I'll just set this to 2,300 square feet max. Some people like to filter by lot size and year built, and this honestly depends on your area though. I normally don't do lot size, but when I do, I normally do plus or minus 3,000 for the lot size. And then for the year built, if you have homes down the street from your property that were built in the 50s, for example, and your home was built in 2023, you might want to filter it by year built. Afterwards, just click on save and close, and now we've narrowed down our search results to 41 results. So what I'll do from here is that I'll basically scan through here, and you can actually export all these listings as well. But you want to go ahead and look for any outliers. So this one here, for example, 272 square feet versus the 432. This one here is kind of like an outlier. So what I'll do is I'll copy and paste this address into Google Maps, and I'll actually take a look at the property and see if there's anything specific. Now with Propwire, you can actually highlight all of these listings. You can export this list as well so that you have it for future reference. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and run comps on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.